Hello, Raneem, can you hear me?
Oh, she left. I think she's gonna rejoin.
All right. Okay. Sasya, so in the last class, we did the method of substitution for simultaneous equations. In the last 10 minutes of class, I'm going to explain you that, all right?
Okay, so I'm just gonna do the same thing as what.
Yes.
Is it exercise 22 for the word problems?
Let me just check and get back to you. I want you to open page 72. Is Raneem back?
Yes.
All right. Raneem,
Yes,
can you
Miss,
hear
I'm
me?
here. Yeah. Miss,
Were you
last
able
time
to
we
do
did.
the homework?
Yes.
All right. So we're going to start with word problems today, Raneem.
What's that?
Please open to page 72. Have you both opened it?
Yes.
All right. So we're going to start with word problems. So I'm going to explain you the concept of word problems. So if you look at page 72, they have given us, let me just open another page for you guys. All right. So they will always, in your question, they will always mention a number. All right. We're just going to do some examples. Let me just open the page. It's constantly closing it for me. Okay. So let's look at exercise 17. So they will always ask you to solve whenever there is a number. So if you look at exercise 17, question 1. Okay. Actually, let me do some examples first. So
Miss,
there is
what page
one
is this?
question. Just let the book be. We're going to do it over here. There's a question that says the sum of 3 consecutive whole numbers is 78. Find the numbers. All right. So what are they saying? The sum of, what does sum mean?
Like added all together?
Yes, sum means addition. All right. So we clear with sum means addition. And the second thing they're saying consecutive. Do you know what consecutive means?
I've heard of it, but I actually don't know.
Okay, consecutive basically means one after the other. All right. So that means, for example, I have numbers 3, 4, and 5. 3, 4, and 5 are consecutive numbers because they are occurring consecutively one after the other. All right. Or 5, 6, 7. They occur one after the other. That means they're consecutive numbers. All right. So what are they saying? That the sum of 3 consecutive whole numbers. That means, for example, I say A plus B plus C, which is number 1, the second number, and the third number. They're saying the sum of this is 78, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Now, whenever you've been given a question like this, you have to understand that you have to find out a relationship between the 3 numbers or whatever they're giving you. So I already have the relationship, right? I know that these numbers come one after the other, right? So if I say if I basically just write down the statement, let the smallest number be x. What does that mean? If A is x, I have A plus B plus C, right? If A is x, what would B be? Knowing that it's a consecutive number, it would be x plus 1, right? Yeah? If I'm writing
Oh, yeah,
3,
because
4,
it's
and 5, yes. If I'm writing 3, 4, and 5, if I have 3 here, 4 is basically 3 plus 1, and 5 is 3 plus 2, right? And so can I say C is x plus 2? Yeah? So have I made a linear equation now? So once you solve this linear equation, x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 78. 3x plus 3 is equal to 78. 3x is equal to 78 minus 3. 3x is equal to 75. And x is equal to 75 upon 3, which is 3 ones are, 3 twos are, and 3 fives are. 25. What is this 25?
oh, it's A.
Yes, it's the first smallest number, right? So the consecutive numbers would be 25, 26, and 27. Does this make sense to you guys?
Yes.
Yes, let's do another example. So you'll always have to figure out which number to manipulate or which factor they're giving you that can be manipulated. Let's look at another question. They are saying the length of a rectangle is 3 times the width. If the perimeter is 36 centimeter, they will give you the information to make out the equation always. Find the width. So what are they saying? They're talking about a rectangle, right? As soon as I see this, in my head, I would make a rectangle over here so that I can label whatever they're asking me to, all right? They're saying the length of the rectangle, which is this part, is 3 times the width. What does times mean? It means multiplication, right? So
Yes.
basically, if I write this down, they're basically saying length is 3 times the width. Yeah? This is the length.
Yeah.
Yeah? And this is my width. So length is basically 3w. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Now they are saying that if the perimeter is 36 centimeter, they want me to find the width. So can you see this is a sort of a equation over here that I have? Now where the important equation that I have to make is for the perimeter, right? So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? It's basically width plus length, right? 2w plus 2l. Yes? Do you know what a perimeter is?
It's the total like length around the shape.
Yes. Whatever length is touching the outside region, the total of that, the sum of those lengths, all right? So that is basically 2 width and twice the length in this case, right? So over here, what I can do is, they are saying this is basically 36, right? Now they want me to find the width. Now using this substitution, basically, I can find the width, right? They are saying 2w plus 2. Can I write 3w in place of L? Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
is equal to 36, which would be 2w plus 6w is equal to 36. which is 8W is equal to 36. Is it 36? Let me check. Wait. Yes, it's 36. So W is basically 36 upon 8, which is 4.5 centimeter. So you over here have found the width. Make sense?
Miss, can you repeat from the
Yes.
beginning?
What?
Can you repeat this question?
Sure. So what is a perimeter? Please explain me.
Oh, it's the length around the shape, like the total length.
Yes. So what is a perimeter of a rectangle?
It's 2W plus 2L.
Okay. So the question says the length of a rectangle is 3 times the width. So this equation came from that. Yeah. Basically, I said length is equal to 3 times the width. Yeah. Then they have given me the perimeter. So as soon as I see that they have already given me the perimeter, I would write down the equation of the perimeter and equate it to 36. Right? Now, as I know length is equal to 3W, can I just replace the L with 3W? Yeah?
Yeah, because L equals 3W.
Yes. So once I do that, I can find out W. Make sense?
Yes.
All right, great. Let's start off with some questions that you will be able to do. I want you to start with question exercise 17.
Miss, can you tell me which page is it?
It's page 73. Page 73, I want you to do question 1 to 4 right now. Question 1 and 2, I expect you to do very easily. For question 3 and 4, I want you to try your best. So for 3 and 4, I want you to first understand the logic behind it. So for example, when we spoke about consecutive numbers, we said it's 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So if I'm taking this as x, this would be x plus 1, this would be x plus 2, this would be x plus 3, right? What if I said consecutive even numbers? So that would be 2, 4, 6, 8, right? Any even numbers? Yeah?
Oh, so it's just like that.
So what does even number mean? If I talk about even number, consecutive even number, so the smallest
You can
number
have
you
them.
will take as x. So the next number would be x plus 2, right? The number after that would be x plus 4. The number after that would be x plus 6. So can you see if this is 2, this is 2 plus 2, this is 2 plus 4, this is 2 plus 6. Make sense?
Oh,
Yeah?
so how about for odd?
You can check yourself now. Can you do this method yourself and tell me what it would be for odd? Both of you?
Okay.
Did you find out?
No. I thought it would be like x plus 3 or something,
I
but
want you
I'm
to
not
write
sure.
down odd numbers and I want you to be sure. So I want you to do this method, write down odd numbers, then write down the x values, and I want you to do it right now and tell me. Both of you, please. Did you do it?
Can I send a photo?
Can you just tell me the odd numbers that you found
Oh.
out?
So I put like 1, 3, 5, 7, and then I put
Okay.
under it x, and then under 1 it's x, and then under 3 it's x plus 3. Or is it 2?
So 1 plus
Or is it
3
just
is 3?
Oh yeah, no, it's x plus 2, and then it's x plus
Yeah.
2, and then it's x plus 2.
It's x plus 2, x plus 2, and x plus 2. So if 1 is x, so 1, you're saying 1 plus 2, this is also 1 plus 2?
Uh, isn't it 3 plus 2?
How can you change the x? X is the same, right? So
Oh,
1 needs to be the same. What are you adding to 1? That would change.
oh,
So it would be
4?
what?
Miss,
1
so it's
plus
1
4.
plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 6.
How is it 1 plus 1? Is 2
1
an odd
plus
number?
2, no,
Okay.
1 plus 2, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 6,
Yes. So it's
and then 1
basically
plus 8.
x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 4, and x plus 6. Do you see any similarity between the odd and even numbers? They're the same, right?
Yeah.
Because the difference between odd and even numbers are the same. The only thing that changes is the actual value of x. So that is what you find out whenever you are given a question. All right. Please do question 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay.
Miss, like,
Yes.
what's the difference between the even and the odd number? Like, in the
Even
question, it's
numbers,
gonna be all the same, صح?
in terms of x, they're going to be same. If they write down consecutive numbers, it's going to be the same. However, when you find out the answer, you're going to find out what
Yeah,
that
but like the
numbers
formula,
actually are.
the x plus 2, it's all the same, صح? Like when we use it in the
Yeah, if
question,
it's
at the beginning, it's gonna be
consecutive
the
numbers,
same.
yes. If it's consecutive
Yeah.
numbers, then it would be the same. All right.
Okay.
Please start with question 1, do up to 4.
Miss, is the answer for the first one 91, 92, 93?
So you will need to check at the back of the book. Raneem, are you getting the correct answers?
Yes, I got
You got the first one correct?
yeah, miss, I did the first one and the second one.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. Do question 3 and 4 and then let me know. Ranim, are you done with the questions?
I'm on the last part of the first question.
All right, perfect. Let me know once you're
Just
done.
like 2 minutes, I'll be done.
Oh.
I'm done, miss.
All right. Were the questions answers correct?
Yes.
All right. Please start with question 5. Now, this does not talk about consecutive numbers, but it will be talking about equations. All right. So I want you to try and create the equations it's talking about. All right. From 5 to 8.
Okay.
When the number says like it's doubled, would it be like 2x?
Yes. So you tell me if I say the 2 is doubled. What does that mean?
It's
Would that
4?
mean yes? So
Oh
would
no,
that if I say 3 is doubled, would that mean 2
uh,
times 3 or would that mean 3 squared?
3 squared.
That wouldn't that mean
Oh wait,
is
no,
double
2.
means
It's
times 2.
doubled, so it's
Exactly.
6.
Yes, doubles always means times 2. Okay?
So it is 2x. Okay, thank you.
Yes, no worries. So these are like small things that will come about in every question you have. All right? So you're supposed to try and make it less complex, simplify it as much as you can in terms of numbers. Bring the x down to a number and then think about it. Okay? Are you able to do it?
Yeah, I finished it. From 5 to 8, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I finished it.
All right. Rani, I want you to continue with the rest of the questions. How many questions are there?
It goes until, oh wait, let me see. I think, yeah, there's 30 questions.
Let me just check. Give me a minute.
Oh,
19.
by the way, Miss, Ranim isn't in the meeting.
Rani isn't in the meeting. Let me check with her. It goes up to question uh 73. Okay. All right. Sasya, I want you to continue till question 15 at least. I will be
Okay.
explaining you substitution in the next class where I'll probably ask you to come 15 minutes earlier. All right?
Oh, by the way, Miss, I don't think I'll be on Friday's lesson because I'm going on vacation.
All right. How long are you going for?
I think, wait, let me check, sorry.
Okay.
26th of June to the 11th of August.
Okay. So you won't be taking classes in that time?
Yes, I'll be in London.
All right. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. I want you to complete till question 15 and we'll figure out about the classes later. All right?
Okay, thank you, Miss.
No worries. Let me just speak to Rami where she is.
Oh, she's back, Miss.
She is. Ranim, how many questions are you done with?
I'm done with 8.
All right. Did you get the correct answers?
Yes.
All right. I want you to continue till question 12 and then till question 20, I want you to do as homework. All right.
Okay,
Do
Miss.
4 more
Okay.
questions right now and then the rest I want you to practice as homework.
Miss, I'm just
Yes.
gonna go quickly to the restroom. Okay, so I'm
Yes, of
be
course. Of
answering if you
course.
called. Okay?
No worries. Yes, yes.
Okay.
All right, Raneem and Sophia, I want you to continue the questions as